Hello, my Stampin' friends, and welcome to Movie Monday with Jody Breckbill, Stampin' Queen. Here is the card we're going to create today. We did this in my Just Cards class, and I wanted to showcase it because it is so simple and sweet and offers yet a fun little different fold than what we're used to. This is a case from Pinterest. I did use the Lily Impressions Designer Series paper, which is a free offering during celebration. And we're also going to use the lovely Lily Pad stamp set, again, another free offering during celebration. And we are kind of heading towards the end of celebration, kids. It ends on March 31st. Celebration means for each $50 and or $100 purchase, you get to pick free items. This is an offering as well as that gorgeous Designer Series paper. So it's very simple. If you're interested, all you need to do is hop onto my online store at jodybreckbill.stampinup.net and shop there, and it will prompt you once your order hits $50 or $100. You can choose the item. We have lots of offerings going on right now, guys, so I wanted to share that information with you because we only have a couple more weeks. The other thing that we're going to use is the So Sentimental stamp set, probably one of my favorites in this mini catalog. It's in the January through June mini, and it also comes as a bundle with the So Stitched So Sweetly dies. I am using this constantly, and these dies are phenomenal. I use them all the time. I wanted to share this information a little bit because right now I am offering an online class or a to-go class focusing on this bundle. So right now until March 16th, you can get the So Sentimental bundle, both of these together, for $79, and it will include your very own pack of the Best Dressed Designer Series paper. Now let me tell you real quick about this designer paper. It is made to go with the Best Dressed Suite and bundle. It's got lots of perfume, shoes, purses, makeup, all kinds of good things, but the opposite side has these gorgeous patterns, which I fell in love with. So perhaps I don't have the best dressed stuff, and that's okay because I love the other side almost more. So you're going to get your own pack of that. You will get your own roll of our crinkle white seam binding, as well as a pack of rhinestones, champagne rhinestones, hopefully. I put that caveat out because right now we are not able to get them, but hopefully they will be coming into our warehouses soon and not create a problem. If I cannot get the champagne, I will sub in the regular clear rhinestones, and you can color those. So you can color them with metallic Sharpies, regular Sharpies, your Stampin' Blends. You can make those rhinestones just whatever beautiful color that you would like. So hopefully we'll be able to get them, but in the event that we can't, I'll do the best I can. And in addition to that, you're going to get a PDF tutorial and all the products that you need to create these 4 cards. So that is all with that Designer Series paper. We've got the ribbon and the rhinestones. You'll use that on every card. You'll see here that maybe I subbed in some different ribbon, and that's just because I ran out, but you'll use your white crinkle ribbon on this. So yeah, we've got this stamps or this card, then we've got this one, and of course this gorgeous one, which I would add a little bit of ribbon. As I said, I had run out, so I would do a little strip of ribbon on there just to pop a little bit. The great thing about this seam binding is you can dye this ribbon with your blends or a sponge, or you can stamp on it. It will actually absorb color. So you have multiple different colors in this ribbon. So again, I have 2 offerings. One includes the bundle and all of this with your make and takes, your PDF, and your extras for $79. If you've already got the bundle or you choose to use something that you already have, you can take this out and get everything else for $30. This does not include shipping, so if you're not local, you do need to message me and I'll add that for you and let you know a total. But again, you'll create these 4 beautiful cards, which I absolutely love. So that is my to-go special for March, available until March 16th. So you want to make sure that you sign up for that right away. You want to message me at jodybreckbill322@gmail.com. Now let's go ahead and get started stamping. How about that? We're going to take a piece of Highland Heather cardstock, and I did cut this long way, so it is 4 1/4 by 11. I'm going to fold that in half. I like my bone folder here to make that nice and crisp. Now I'm going to take my mini trimmer, and this mini trimmer, I have had asking lots of questions about this mini trimmer. This is only available until March 31st when you join my team. So we have a fantastic join special right now. I'd love to share more information about that. So if you want to find out how to get this mini trimmer, you get $125 in product of your choice for $99. You're going to get free shipping. You're going to get a free paper pumpkin. You're going to get a free stamp set of your choice. Go for the big one, right? Go big or go home. This mini trimmer, as well as a pack of 6x6 assorted designer papers from our January through June mini catalog. So, I mean, come on, the best value that there is in the book. So hit me up and we'll talk more about that. But right now, we're going to go ahead, and my nose is going to start dripping. I'm going to cut off 2.5 inches on that one side. Then I'm going to attach my designer series paper to that panel. Make sure I'm going the right way. Don't be upside down. That would not start off my day very well with upside down. Okay, so I've got that. Now I'm just going to stamp real quick. I'm just going to do 2 little lilies because the insides need to be pretty. Sorry guys, allergies are kicking in big time and my nose just starts to drip. I know I say that every time and you probably get annoyed hearing it, but I really do apologize. All right, so this is going to go on the inside panel. So that's where we'll sign our John Hancock right there and put our little note to our friends. Now I've got I went ahead and I already cut this piece out with our Stitched So Sweetly die, and I'm going to stamp, I'm using Highland, am I using Highland Heather? Yes, I wasn't sure. I thought maybe I might have one a little darker and use Gorgeous Grape just for contrast, but I am using the Highland Heather. So I'm going to stamp that on there. Gorgeous. And I think I'm going to do a little I think I can do it full strength on there, just a little lily to pull in that pink. And then it's going to get attached to a panel of Flirty Flamingo is the pink that I'm using. So I have a piece here and I'm just going to lay that on top so it almost looks like it's got a little bit of a border around it. Now the key to this is only putting dimensionals on one side because you want to have that other side free because it needs to hold the front panel of your card. So I'm just going to do 3 dimensionals here and just attach that down here kind of in the bottom corner a little bit. Make sure I'm straight. And then the final thing, always got to have a little bling, and this is gorgeous. These are the Noble Peacock Rhinestones, and I am going to pull in my little pick tool here because that just makes things so much easier. Put that in there so I can just pick those guys up. So I'm going to go with the big purple ones. Maybe. Oh my gosh, my nose. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have to lean over when I am recording this. So I lean over kind of looking through my viewfinder. That's where this starts. Anyway, thanks for hanging in there. If you guys have not unsubscribed from me, thank you. All right, there you go. How quick and easy is that? What a gorgeous, fun little card. All right, so that is the So Sentimental bundle and the Lily Impressions Designer Series paper and the Lily Pad stamp set. 2 of those available during celebration. And again, I've got that online class going on. So thanks so much, guys, for checking me out. Have a great week, and I'll see you next week for Movie Monday.